How to deactivate your Facebook account after the latest update. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily deactivate your Facebook account after the latest update on Facebook. Now if you're confused after the update that you're not being able to deactivate your account, or you're not being able to find the option that says deactivate your Facebook account, so here I am. Let me guide you through this video quick and easy. First and foremost, what you want to do is you want to open up your Facebook application and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is at your home page, you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon or the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do so, here you'll be headed into this page. Here what you want to do is you can either tap on the settings option or the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen beside the search icon, or if you scroll down below all the way down, you can see settings and privacy options. Simply tap on it, and once there you want to tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, you'll be able to see the very first option, meta, that says account center. If you do not find this at the top, you'll find this at the bottom. So either ways, you want to head into this option that says meta and account center. Under here you'll get an interface like this. Under account settings, you want to head into the second option that says personal details. Simply tap on personal details, and there you can see the account ownership and control option at the bottom. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see two different options that says memorialization or deactivation or deletion. Simply tap on deactivation or deletion option, and once you do so, you want to tap on the Facebook option since you want to deactivate your Facebook account. Once you tap on it, here you'll be able to see two different options saying deactivate account or delete account. Simply tap on deactivate account, make sure the blue check mark is on deactivation, and then simply tap on continue, and it'll prompt you through few steps. It'll ask you for your password. Once you enter in your password, you'll be able to deactivate your Facebook account. So this way you can deactivate your Facebook account after the latest update. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.